Welding's everywhere. If you started looking around at all the objects around you, you'd realize that welding is present in pretty much each one of them. Butt joints, lap joints, corner joints, T-joints, and pipe joints. Welding is essential for manufacturing. Think about over 70% of all the fabricated products are made with the expertise of welders. Without welding, you wouldn't have buildings, bridges, ships, planes, trains, buses, or cars. It is the backbone of our world. It keeps our economy moving, and it's a career that might be perfect for your future. You can learn skills leading to a reliable and in-demand trade. It's easy to get started. You can begin with the 8th-month Welding Technology Diploma program, and then consider Beal's online Welding Technology Associate's Degree completion program. It's designed to give you broader training, and with this option, you would graduate with both a diploma and a degree. There's welding all around you, and it may be calling your name.